Hello, I am Chris Menard. If you want to separate the date and time in Microsoft Excel, let me show you how right now. If you want to separate the date and time in Microsoft Excel when they're in one cell, you can use the INT function. Let me explain it first and then we'll actually do this. I have 42.75. If I want to use an integer, that is a whole number, meaning it is not a fraction. I did equal INT B2, pull this down just to show you what I get here. Notice that the negative numbers went from 11.7 to 12, just pointing that out. So if you want to do this with date and time, if you notice I don't have any date and time on the screen, that is okay. Go to cell D2 and let's use the now function. That will give you the date and time, and then just to get something in here, equal D2 minus 0.75, I'm just picking on a number, pull that down, and now we've got a variety of date and times. Highlight them, and let's just copy and paste the values. Copy, paste values. Now we can do this. So there's my date and time. If you notice, AM and PM is also not showing. We don't care. If you wanted it to show, you could go and change the format of it to make it show. Now, if I want to get just the date from this, I'm going to use the INT function, but here's why this works. Just to show you this, I'm going to copy this again. So let's copy, and then I'm going to paste in cell E2, and I want to go and change this to number, just use the comma style or make it number. Dates and times are numbers. Notice we have a number with decimal. So today's date is 4/25/2024. There it is. That is the number 45,407. In case you're wondering, January 1, 1900 is where Excel starts counting. That'll be the number 1 right there. So here we go again. I'm just going to leave this here as a reference. But now if I do equal INT, I want just the date. I'm going to reference cell D2. That will give me 4/25/2024, just like the integer function would have given me 45,407. Perfect. Notice the time is showing up as 0:00. Autofill that down. And I would change this to short date, and there is the date pulled out of here. Now, here's a cool tip for you. So if you want just the time, because I got just the date, I'm still going to use INT equal. I'm going to take this first, which is giving me the date and the time, and then I'm going to subtract the integer of D2. So I'm going the other way, click yes, I didn't close it, no big deal. Time will always be decimal points. So this is actually correct. Go make this time, and there you go. That is how you use the INT function to extract date and times. There are the formulas one more time for the date, and there is the formula again for the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. My Microsoft Excel online training classes are available, including Teams, Copilot, OneNote. Have a great day.